SolidWorks Plastic 2014 contains many new enhancements that will make it easier to analyze and optimize plastic injection molding parts, even for new users. The new Getting Started wizard, for example, walks you through the setup process and provides additional information to help you clearly understand every single step of the process. Armed with this knowledge, you can start meshing this plastic cover using a shell mesh with automatic refinement. Each step is clearly identified and marked when completed. Next, the plastic material can be selected in just a click. And all the fill settings and advanced parameters are easily accessible because they have all been grouped in one place and organized in different tabs, with only the most important one, such as injection pressure limit or mold temperature, prominently displayed. Finally, the injection location is defined and the injection molding analysis can be run. With this simple and streamlined user interface, new users can be sure to get it right the first time and be more productive. SolidWorks Plastic 2014 also includes a new runner design wizard. After selecting the layout, simple or complex runner systems are quickly designed by picking the injection locations. There's no more time wasted having to manually drawing them using sketch lines, and you can easily customize the length or start and end diameters of any section of the sprue, runner, or gate. Now, let's switch to another configuration to review the results. In addition to numerous result plots that allow you to investigate your model and better understand the injection molding process, the new Results Advisor provides you with comprehensive information about each result plot, any potential manufacturing problems, and result-specific advice to resolve any issues. This makes it simple, even for novice plastic part designers, to fix and optimize their parts for manufacturability. And with a traffic light at the top, you can see in a glance if the part you created can be molded. SolidWorks Plastics not only helps you check for manufacturing defects up front. New export capabilities let you take into account the in-mold residual stresses when testing product performance in SolidWorks Simulation 2014. After exporting the results, you can turn on SolidWorks Simulation and create a new analysis to use the plastic results. In addition to other forces, pressures, and loads on the molded plastic cover, the in-mold residual stresses are easily accounted for in this nonlinear analysis for increased accuracy. And to avoid having to create or redefine materials, you can simply decide to include the material properties from SolidWorks Plastics. SolidWorks 2014 offers a variety of new tools, wizards, and export capabilities, so you get more done in less time while ensuring your products meet your design and manufacturability requirements.